Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever nail video on YouTube. My name is Shimeen H and I am a nail enthusiast. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I did my nails with gel extensions on one hand and press-on nails on the other hand. So right now what I'm doing is pushing back my cuticles, and this is a common step used whenever you're preparing your nails for a manicure. You push back the cuticles so that the extensions look more natural. So after this, I'm going to use my e-file to clean up a little bit more around the cuticles. So I'm using a small bit and we're going to get off some of that dead skin around there, like so. And I'm doing that just on that one hand where I'm putting the gel extensions on. It's very soft, about 3000 RPM, but just remember you have to be gentle on your nails if you do have an e-file. We get to in all the fingers. We really want to have a good prep so our nails last longer. So this is it after I'm finished. Next I'm going to go in with the sanding band and I'm going to take the shine off my natural nails, the surface of course, and we're doing that for all the nails as well. All this helps with adhesion and making sure that the nails last as long as they possibly can. Gel extensions could give you about 3 weeks or even more depending on how you use your nails. So after doing that, what I'm going to do is just going to brush off the excess dust, and now I'm going to etch the inside of the gel extensions. I've already sized them off camera, and etching the inside also helps with adhesion. As I said, we want to get the maximum wear out of these nails. The shape and length I'm using is medium almond, and these are called full cover gel tips, and it's used as an extension system for manicures. You can do it on yourself, however we see it typically being done now in salons as a faster way to get an entire full set done. Now I'm going to do the prep of my actual nails with some dehydrator, and this dehydrator I have is from Mere Secret, and this just gets rid of any moisture oils I had on my nails. Now we're going to go in with the nail primer. It's also from Mere Secret, and the primer just improves the bond between the natural nail and the extension, well, the base gel I'm going to use as the adhesive. So we're doing that of course on all the nails. Just ensure that the primer doesn't go on your skin, although most primers now are non-acidic or non-burning. So this is the base gel and this is our adhesive. So to use this, we're going to apply a thin layer to the nail first. As you can see, I went off camera and did the pinky finger just to try it out. So on the other finger now, we're going to go with a thin layer of base gel, and we're going to make sure we get it on the finger, on the nail bed only, because we don't want that going on our skin, else it would cure on our skin and it burns under the lamp. So we're just going to flash cure with a small lamp, and this lamp I got in a Nailboxy from October. It's a subscription box. I get it every month and I get to try new nail products from that, so you could definitely check that out, nailboxy.com. So this is the most technical part. You're going to have to put some of the base gel at the base of your nail, and trial and error would help you to understand how much to use. So what you're going to do here, I'm putting it in. I had just the right amount. I'm getting my lamp close by to do it. That's the lamp I have right now. There are small lamps you could use, but you put in the nail at the base and you're just going to apply some pressure so that the gel fills it up to the tip, and you're going to cure it in place under your lamp. You can flash cure it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then after you finish with all the nails, you could go in for a full cure. So after I finished that, I realized that the nail was bent. Well, it looked bent, but I still continued. And we're going to repeat this step for the other nails. So I think I did one more nail on camera, or 2 or 3, I can't remember. And what we're going to do, the same step, you're just going to apply the base gel to the base of the full cover tip, and you're going to work it up. I didn't quite get that one on camera. And you're going to cure it. After that, these are all the nails that were done. As I said, this one was bent and I couldn't deal with the crooked nail, so I took it off, and I'm going to use the nail clipper to get down as much of the extension as possible. And after that, I'm going to soak it off with acetone. So to do that, I'm just going to take my hand file and file off the top layer, the surface with the shiny layer. And after that, we're going to get our acetone, and we're going to get a cotton, or some cotton, well, a piece of cotton, right? And you're putting a nail clip on it. If you don't have a nail clip, that's fine. You could use aluminum foil, just foil you have in your kitchen at home for other stuff, so you could use that. So wrap it around like so, and then you just apply a clip or your foil. I'm soaking that for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to buff the rest of the nails so that we have a really nice surface to paint our abstract design on. This nail prep actually takes the most time of your nail set. The design is the shortest part, in my opinion. Comment below if you think otherwise. Which is the longest part of the process for you doing this? Is it the actual painting, or is it the prep? So I'm just taking the gel off with the cuticle pusher, very gently, of course. This is after soaking it. Be gentle in this process, else you can damage your finger nail bed, and you mightn't be able to wear nails because your nail bed got so thin and you were too rough. So when we get it off, we're going to try the process again. Make sure it's straight so that you don't have any crooked nails. That one was giving me some problems for some weird reason. I don't know why. But you know, we had to tug it out and continue going. So yeah, we got it to go in, and it's going to be cured. And now let's see if we got all 5 nails done. Yeah. So yeah, we got it on, and we're just going to go in and buff it one more time. Just make sure everything is nice and smooth. Dust off the excess. And now we're going to go in with this soft pink from iGel Beauty. It's called Angel Face, and it has a slight shimmer to it. So I did 2 coats of this, just sped it up a bit. It's a really nice polish. It's a very pretty color. Anybody could use it. I think it will go with all skin tones. So this is after 2 coats. And now we're going to do our abstract design. And for the abstract design, we're using Honeydew from iGel Beauty, and it's a light green or pastel green. And the other color is a pine green, also from iGel Beauty. It's a darker green, looking more like the forest. I'm going to take my liner brush. I also got the liner brush in Nailboxy. And now we're going to go in with our design. So this design was planned beforehand, as I did the press-on nails before. This video was filmed in 2 sections. I filmed the press-on nails first, and then I did this one after. So I knew what the design was going to be. What I didn't know is that painting it on my nails on camera was going to be harder than painting it on the press-on nail. So you'd see me here moving very slowly, and then I'll just speed up the video to show you how the process went. So while we're here, you could just look forward to seeing more nail videos on this channel. I have a press-on nail business, 123_press on Instagram. You can check it out. And we'll be doing everything nails, product reviews, unboxing, things like that. And you could tell me what else you would like to see on this channel. So this is after doing the design, abstract design in dark green. And now we're going to go with the light green to just complement it and give the nail some character. So if you like this video, feel free to give a thumbs up, give a comment, let me know what you think about this abstract design. Is it something you would wear? I know these designs are trending, these swirly abstract designs, and I just decided I needed to do one as well. I did one before, and that one is on my IGTV video. So you could definitely check that out. That was with nude and white with some gold accents. So you could definitely check that out on IGTV. I can leave the link to my Instagram below. Yeah. Okay, so we're seeing the set taking shape now. And here I am giving it a top coat, and then we're going to go in to the press-on aspect of the same abstract set. So it's the same design. As I said, the shape and length is medium almond. I've already buffed them out and just removed the dust particles, and now I'm going in with the same polish, the soft pink called Angel Face, iGel Beauty, and I'm applying 2 coats of this polish to the nails. There is a base coat on this. It also helps with the strengthening the nails. I only did 2 coats as this was for my personal use. And then we're going in with the same design, and it was much easier to do this design on press-on nails rather than doing it on myself, because you have to consider the camera angles and things like that. So I was more comfortable, I had more control over the brush in doing this design. But I just like to challenge myself and do both so that I could only improve. Hopefully my other videos with me drawing are much better than the drawing you see here. So I really liked these colors that I picked, the light green and the dark green. They really complemented each other. And I hope to do more artsy videos in the future, hopefully, because we could only improve, right? I saw this design, well, something similar to this on Pinterest, and that was the inspo for this particular video. And medium almond is not a color a shape I typically wear all the time, so it was good to try something new for a change. So we're coming down to the end of this design, and as I said, this one was filmed before the gel extension, so you'll notice that I have no extensions on my finger because this one was filmed the day before. Alright, so we've seen it taking shape and it looks so good, like it really does. So after this, the next step will just be to apply some top coat on it. And after applying the top coat, I'm going to show you how I apply the nails on. This is the press-on aspect. And for that, I'm going, so this is it here, voila. You know, I did a little voila, you know. Alright, so now we're going to apply the press-ons. I didn't prep my nails, this is my left hand. I didn't prep my left hand because I didn't plan to keep on these nails for very long. And the nail glue I'm using is KDS, and that's the glue I supply in my package for those who get press-on nails from me. And you just put in some glue in at the base of the nail, and you're applying it. Make sure it's straight. And you put it on, hold it in place, and then you press it down. You're going to repeat the same step for all 5 nails. Alright, just press it down, keep it in place. This is sped up, so understand the importance of pressing it down. Press 4 nails, right? Yeah. Okay, so it may seem I'm using a lot of glue, not too much glue, not too little bit of glue, so that your nail doesn't pop off and you don't want to have too much glue spilling out on the sides because it will stick to your hand. So this is it. Press-on nails, left hand, gel extensions, right hand. Can you tell the difference? I mean, if I was watching this video for the first time, I couldn't tell the difference. Or if I just saw a picture of this, I couldn't tell the difference. So I'm really glad with how these turned out. Don't forget, of course, your cuticle oil. This one is a tea tree cuticle oil I'm using here. And I'm just gonna rub that in, rub. Yeah. And then we're supposed to be able to get some cool pictures like this under the camera because I was so excited that my full set. Yes, this is giving me life. Yes, kill them, all the poses. And then of course peace. All right, so we got out into the sunlight, get some more decent pics of this set. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh, look at that, the light and the dark green. It looks so much better in the sunlight. You know, shout out to my sister who took the pictures of both hands to me in the sunlight. And this is a really nice set, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video and we look forward to seeing more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.